rise. When me hear some punk wanna be DJ, me get cross like the thing we kill Jesus Christ.
Oh no, the man say when you hear some punk wanna be a DJ, he get cross like the thing we kill Jesus. Bumbo club, just heard the man say. Just a mess it now. Men say him get cross. The cross. Like boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, straight out of Jamaica. You hear me, I said, man, we have made it to the end of a great series. Yo, I'm saying, I like that series here too. Yo, we react to all. Wait, no react. We're not finish it yet. We have one more song to go. We have freestyle to go. Lyricist Part 3 to go. Vybz Kartel, one more track to go. You hear me, I say, right now, we're going to react to Vybz Kartel Lyricist Part 3. If you all are new, if this is your first time on Tyrekevlogs channel, like, you made it to the most lit music with the reaction channel, the reaction boss, the Clash Hype man, the amount of name, the amount of AKA I have. Yo, if you don't subscribe right now, something wrong with you. You see me, I say, so subscribe to the channel, help me reach 10,000 subscribers, and comment on this video. This is your comment over here, so in the next video we'll post every day, 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. You understand me? So I'm going to see what going on right now. Hope you enjoy the reaction right there, so. As usual, I remember the lyrics to the song them. Sadly. But let's see what going on for Vybz Kartel Lyricist right now. Yeah.
Yeah, Jeffrey.
Yeah.
You know what real response to this?
That's the man jumping the track in the track. Boom. People dead. Alright. Well, I remember the song go before me we start the reaction. The girl let me say me sweet. Yeah. Weak as what? Me don't know. Me go see what I go on.
And we have to dead before some boy get there.
The man say,
the girl them say me sweet.
yeah.
The sneakers tight. Plus, them say me sharp like scissors.
Well, let me get what you just said a while ago. Me want to get that. The girl them say me sweet. Yeah. The wilders, Wallan, Addy. Remember the lyrics them people say you have to see with me. Then me I say, alright.
Yeah, the sneakers type. Plus, them some
sharp like scissors pipe.
pipe.
So the man say the girl some sweet. Yeah, the sneakers type. Plus, them some sharp like scissors pipe. When you call me name but dance all you call me gonna be my part from wall to wall, be gonna be. I say go, we don't remember.
This when we dress, everything is new. But if you want something old, watch Nick at night.
When it's about dress. Remember the song them in the dark. I try over them say, well on there. What me got massive for man? Right, it's a good man. Right, ready now.
Sharp like scissors.
Hey.
Ladies, when we dress, everything is new. But if you want something old, watch Nick at night. Yeah.
Well, I said, ladies, when me dress, I must not. Another time say, ladies, when me dress, everything is new. But if you want something old, watch Nick at night. Yeah, they say me sharp like scissors. But another than that. Alright, I get that one. I get that one better than me get the first one to Bumbuckle it. The first one, the 1,000 views, and 100 likes. Thank you guys. Part one. Me like when run up on part one. Run up on that part two. Never run up on part two. So I think I post it too early. Now I talk about that still. Run John.
The music was sweet and nice. Yeah. It's like Sunday to chicken and peas and rice. When me hear some songs wanna be.
What I'm saying? No, me hear the part about Sunday chicken and peas and rice. It's like Sunday to compare something to Sunday chicken and peas and rice. Wallan.
Everything is new, but if you want something old, watch Nick at night. Yeah, me to the music was sweet and nice. It's like Sunday to chicken and peas.
Mama Clark go to the music was sweet and nice. I remember I said something about music was sweet and nice. It's like Sunday to chicken and peas and rice.
When me hear some punk wanna be DJ, me get cross like the thing we kill Jesus Christ.
No, the man say when you hear some punk wanna be a DJ, he get cross like the thing we kill Jesus. Bumbo club, just heard the man say. Just a mess it now. Man say him get cross. The cross. Like man say me get cross like the thing we kill Jesus Christ. It's a cross, them kill them. Not even a med span that up there, but it's a cross. And man say him get cross. Bumbo clot. Yo! You hear me, I said, man, be a fire emoji in the comment section right now if Kartel bad. Be a fire emoji right now. And this is, you can comment this now. So which one of the lyricists them are the better one? Are the best lyricist, if I say. Lyricist, part 1, 2, or 3. Drop it down below in the comment section. 2. You don't know, 1 and 2 comment from nobody, 3 or 4 or 5 comment to them. Don't talk, I'm not sure you like the video, I go for 100 likes, Alright? I'm trying too much.
harmonize. But the music what me do is authorized. We get the girls in a trance, yeah, hypnotize. And gyrate them waist, hip surprise.
Yeah, when I say about the music me do is authorized. Me got the girls in a shots, them are hypnotized.
The thing we kill Jesus Christ, them just make up all sort of nice. But the music what me do is authorized.
The man say music what him do is authorized. The man say me get the girls them in a shots. When me get the girls them in a shots I do. Me hear what I say no man. Right on.
Girls in a trance, yeah, hypnotize and gyrate them waist, hip surprise.
The man say me got the girls them in a shots, hypnotize. The man say got the girls them a gyrate them waist. So them say the waist them a growing in a circle. You know the man say yo, any girl can bubble in a trouble. And then me I say. I that the man that say of the girls them hypnotize. The man the girl them in a shots, I jiggle up them with Bumbleclad. Hey, next thing too. We don't want nobody come say, yo, yeah, pause. If we play the full song, we don't get to watch it with it. No. I'm not even on top of that. Every day I see somebody comment it, I'm just looking and I laugh. Big up on yourself, John.
When you call me name, I dance all you call me. Got the talks, them a party from wall to wall. Me drink street and
Bumbleclad, the man say got talks them a party from wall to wall. So you know, so when they're Jamaican and that. You see when they grow on, say, okay, you depart, they're in town, right? You go on the street there, party. Boom, you go over Bumbleclad, cross your circle. Boom, you go over there, so party. Boom, you go over Bumbleclad jungle, party. Boom, I don't know them places I talk, but I like it. I used to live around this man. Anyways, run tune. Every corner say a party I keep. You know what I mean? That the man I say. Run tune.
But now me flow 16 bars, no alcohol.
Hey, hey, put your hand in the ear if you like it. Yeah, you hear me? Thumbs up the video right now if you like it. Reaction boss freestyle if you like it. And if you don't like it, Bumbleclad don't dislike it. If you don't like it, let's go on your bed. Let's go on your bed because something wrong with you right now. Run, tune, continue with the madness. Freestyle if you like it. Come bite it. Tomorrow. Put your hand in the air if you like it. We don't want to hear the chorus again still because I don't know it chop. We all know the sweet, sweet chorus of Vybz Kartel melody. You see me, I say, yeah, hear me? Put your hand in the air if you like it. Kartel freestyle if you like it. And if you don't like it, come back. What? And next time she said, hey, come back. No, why? Why me I say that for? Why? Rachel.
This is a murder thing, but have it your way like Burger King.
The first time I heard the man said that youth. Man said lyrically, this is a murder thing, but have it your way like Burger King. Me tell you to say it in my song, Vybz Kartel song. The man don't put words together just because them sound good. The man put words together because them relate to each other. You know, it's a Burger King slogan back them time. I never still right now, but they say have it your way. Bumbleclad. Run, tune.
Million ways to die, choose one. 6 million tunes a day, new song. You want me kill your life on stage with a trap?
Well, on there. The man say man have 6 million ways for you die. Choose one. The man say man have 6 million tunes a day, new song. I just said there's supposed to like a Bumbleclad release right now while they behind bars. Because I make 6 million tunes a day. So when the man are dead and gone, song still a drop. Like XXX Tentacion. Because I'm not talking about this about drop of time dead, you know. Our history, you know. Run. I'll cut the lip on the album too, you know. Run tune.
But wait till the album drop. Them say me stop DJ and I sing so. But the girl them love when me sing so.
Yeah, no, me see why. Remember. Him did I make song for the girl them time, alright? And them say, yo, Kartel on the lyrics again. Kartel run out the lyrics. And they say, when in a part one, him address the matter and say, yo, Kartel see your friend Kartel run out the lyrics. And them say, yo, the man they lyrically inclined. And them go say, boom, man drop 3 lyrics a shot song right back to back. Bam! You dig me? Silence the Bumbleclad crowd. Girl, them look at me sing so like blood clot line. Run,
I hear y'all love me to king power, but in I love me no far. Me no twin tower. Call me name, I dance all
twin
your
tower. Bumbleclad! You know a twin tower? Half a tree, dawg. You know, so that's the way the Bumbleclad man, the girl them go link up, dawg. Link up with them girl. I mean, I take it the wrong way. I mean, I say the wrong thing. Alright, that's what they my talk about. I mean, I say the wrong thing. Alright, that's what my talk about. Let me know. Rachel.
Call me got the talks, them a party from wall to wall. First but head, me no family guy, me no American dad. Me flow make yardy an American glad.
Trait. The man say flow make you an American god. The man say man a family guy. Him man an American. Him call some famous cartoon name. Me say look at the famous show them dog. Like me remember the rest of them. Me hear them so good. You know me already with the lyrics. You know when me go back me not gonna hear it. But the man say yo, him man none of them thing there. But guess what? Him flow and him lyrics make you an American glad. And me never say so much cartel fans like American cartel fans they bout dog. You know normally if you say go to me I talk about Adi over here. Cause who never know me there Jamaica. I don't know chap. But yeah me I say me never say so much cartel fans there dog. Me we a drive. So white boy. Yeah dog. But run tune.
With the city Gaza, you see a bag of stars similar to what in the American flag. Popcorn make it out and him password.
Yeah.
And no sweetie, but a starburst.
Boom! Bumbo clap. I say popcorn make it out. Hold on, then a sweetie but a starburst. Bumbo clap lyrics. Lyrics, dog. Remember, starburst is a sweetie, the dog. But if you use it in another phrase, then the man says it's a starburst. That means a popcorn bus. Him a the starburst bus. Bumbleclad and a sweetie, you know. But a starburst. Say, man, we couldn't know. Say, yo, when him use the word starburst, he not talk about the sweetie. He must say it's a starburst, which is in popcorn. He's a star. Bumbleclad! Yo! Pussy clad, dog. Yo, run tune, dog. Yo, Addy. You're too bad in the youth. You're too blood clad bad. No, say, man, I eat that. I'll go on, you know. From the start of the series, I should have reacted to the Bumbleclad lyric video them. So we can see the lyrics, but run tune.
Andrew, my week, copy and paste, but the last 4 lines from the last
hey,
verse. Call
yeah.
me, my dance, all you call me.
Song done.
Come bite it.
Bite it. I hear me say one. You made it to the end of the Bumbleclad madness. So if you made it to the end of the madness, comment down below. Madness done. Anybody watching to the part, comment madness done. Then me I say, alright now, which other song, who should I want for start now? You don't know a chap, you know. So should I react to all of the freaky girl of them, y'all let me love. Freaky woman of them, y'all let me love. Hey, never see something when me love, sir. Every time, you get, hey, I tell a lie about it. Every, I think about it. Yeah, I know a chap. Somebody commented down below in the comment section and say, yo, I adapt me for the next after I finish that one, yeah. There's some people comment some react to the massacre. You know, I'll do the massacre one right now. I need to post out 2 videos today or 3 videos today. You know. Yo! I'm out.